Known as a BORUIT V10 EDC flashlight, 1000 lumens. This is a clear black flashlight. Has a user's manual that you can simply go over, gives you the details about the product as well as online. You have a USB-C charging cable, you have the flashlight, and you have a key ring. What makes this flashlight different from others? You have a side light here, red and blue light, and other colors, and a UV light in the center that will throw 100 meters light. The 1000 milliamp battery and a magnetic area that you can put anywhere you want. There are 14 modes. You can single press, double, triple press the button. We're gonna go here and press this button here. A long press. We have the most powerful light, the turbo light. As long as you hold it, that light will stay on. If you single press, nothing's gonna happen. But if you double press, you have your two lights. And then you have a light in the front that turns green. Press again. It brightens up to the second mode. The green light disappears. The third mode, which is brighter. The fourth mode, which is brighter. And then back to the low mode. And if you long press on any of the modes, it shuts down. If you press on this side button once, nothing happens. Double press, you have the green light and a light. Changes to a red, changes to a blue. It does a rapid red, a red and blue rapid, a white, and back to that mode, and continues on to the different modes. And then long press shuts it off. The front on the left side, if you press it and hold it, we have a siren and a blue and red light. If you triple press this button, 1, 2, 3, you have the green light and the ultraviolet light. So I got this box. Look at the dirt. You can see the little blue specks. Let me bring it close to you. You can see the little speck right there. How about my mouse? Can you see the dirt and everything on there right there lit up? How about my cup right where my finger's at? Towards the right side. Can you see the dirt that's on there? Right by the end. And when all done with the ultraviolet, long press shuts off. So we're going to show you this light at night, what it looks like. It is a 1000 milliamp battery. On the side over here in the bottom, you simply just take off the IP rated door, plug in your USB cable to a charger, and allow it to charge for a number of hours. We place in the charger. The red light after a number of hours would turn green. The V10, if you press the left button and hold it, you can hear the audible, the visual red and blue. As you can see, inside it's got a color that it's trying to dull down. If you press the button, double press, you have a green light, the red, blue, flashing red, flashing blue and red, white, a warm Kelvin, a greenish color, and then back to the red. Long press it, shuts it off. If you long press the right button, you can see how it throws a turbo light and is very powerful and emits very far. If you double press it, you have the green light, the two lights, it brightens up, brighter, and then dull. Again, second, third, fourth, and dull. More or less, it has 14 modes, including the triple press 1, 2, 3 for anything that you see UV rated. If you just long press it, it shuts it off, and long press it, you can see how far it throws towards the trees. It lights up the whole area, real nice and bright. The light area gets nice and hot, so please be careful when touching. And if you need to put it on something metal and need to have light by double pressing, choosing the light you want, and going to a metal pole and hanging it so you can see your work that you're doing. You can have both front and back light on, but you get the idea of where you want to hook it. You can hook the front light and hang it on something. You can hang it on something like so and do your work. So if you're looking for a keychain light that does a nice job, this light may be right for you.